Hello, welcome. I'm Jessica Lowry, and this is my Module 1, Part 2, Practice. The very first step that we were to do was to build a simple thermometer. So here are some pictures of me building the simple thermometer. As you can see on the left, there's a white one, and as you can see on the right, there I am creating the black one. Here are some pictures of, once again, the design and building the simple thermometer. On the left, you can see I used the professor's idea and used skewers to dry the water bottles. And then on the right, you can see the thermometers are actually being placed to heat up. So then we were to come up with your own question. The question that I have I've come up with is, what is the best surface to walk on in your bare feet or walk your dog in 90-degree weather? And there's a picture of my dog Stella. I take her on walks often throughout the summer. And I also am currently nannying 4 different children, and they're always running on the grass on different surfaces, and they're always burning their feet. So I just thought that this would be a neat idea and a great question to come up with. Then here is the engineering design process. Identify the problem. What's the best surface to walk on in your bare feet or walk your dog in a 90-degree weather? Explore. I'm going to explore 3 different surfaces that I walk my dog on. 1 is the grass, 2 is the sidewalk or concrete, which is light in color, 3 is the black asphalt. Design. Testing 3 different surfaces for the relationship between color and solar energy absorption using a timer. I'm going to be using the black thermometers because, in conclusion, when testing the white and the black thermometer definitely heated and was more hot to touch than the white one. And I'm going to place them on 3 different surfaces, including 3 different colors. The grass would be green, the sidewalk and concrete would be like white in color, and the asphalt would be black. And then I'm going to be using a timer on my iPhone, which is a stopwatch. Create 3 different black thermometers for the 3 different surfaces. Try it out. Place the thermometers on the surfaces for 5, 10, and 20 minutes. I just wanted to use various different times for the thermometers to sit, and then make it better. For enrichment, I definitely think that the students could test which time during the day is best for walking. I know during the school year, I have different class periods during different times, and we could test out and then compare those and really collaborate between classes. So here is a picture of the thermometer on the grassy surface. Here is a picture of the thermometer on the white surface, or the concrete surface. And here's a picture of the thermometer on the black asphalt. So under my try it out, which I've gone over, I placed the thermometers on 3 different surfaces for 5, 10, and 20 minutes. I chose those 3 different times because the amount of time or length that I walk my dog on varies. Stella and I go on walks, they could be for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even longer. While trying this out, after just 1 minute, the thermometer on the asphalt had become inflated and it was hot to touch. It took the thermometer on the sidewalk or concrete 20 minutes to inflate, and the thermometer on the grassy surface was hot at the end of 20 minutes, but was nowhere near as hot as the others. In conclusion, the best surface to walk yourself or your dog on is definitely the grassy surface. And as you can see to the right, there's a picture of Stella sitting happily in the grassy surface because it was definitely cooler on that surface. And then there is the connections among STEM practices from the textbook on page 38. For the science column, I have asked questions. What is the best surface to walk your dog or walk yourself in bare feet on 90-degree weather? The engineering was definitely the explore, design, create, and try it out. Which was picking the 3 different surfaces, creating the different thermometers, and coming up with the plan for each thermometer and the different times. And then the technology, recognize the role that technology plays in the advancement in science and engineering, using the clock app on the iPhone to time how long the thermometers were on each surface. This definitely came in handy when I was watching the thermometers on each surface and I noticed the black thermometer on the black asphalt inflated very quickly. And then the mathematics use appropriate tools strategically, using the black thermometers, as I had said, because it became hottest the quickest, and also testing out the 3 different surfaces that I walk my dogs on. So that is my practice module 1 for this activity, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.